Guys? Traders? Oh my god. It's the Road to 20 PA day 82 live stream. A little bit delayed, but we are back with another banger of a video. Wait, it's not a video. With another banger of a live stream. This music sucks. Let's switch it to the sleep chill playlist. I don't know. Let's ride. Let's get to trading. I can't really tell what's going on here. Matching highs. Definitely not an uptrend. Oh. Maybe something more like this. Let's see what we got going on. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I had some things to do. But we are back. What account are we on? Let's start off with 43. Looks like we're breaking to the downside here. I think we got news at 11, so 15 minutes, right? Yes, 11 o'clock news, 12 o'clock news. 2 FOMC members speak today again. And we got crude oil inventories, so pretty news heavy day. Oh my lord, look what happens when I get on. The market just knows. It's crazy. The market knows I'm here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a bigger trend actually. Look at that. Look at that beautiful trading range. You don't get that on any other channel besides the Vegas Futures channel. Can even keep the smaller trends in play. Oh, perfectly off that midline. That's what you love to see. Like we're working lower now. As soon as I get on, we get some breaks to the downside. What's new? The Bears love me, the Bulls hate me. Monty, hello my man, how's it going? No trades today. What's up, man? I actually just got on. I had some errands to run in the morning, so I was out running around. But I just got back, and we're gonna stream until about 12:30 today. So not a very long stream, but I'm gonna try to get some in. I have to go golfing with my my family friend. He's down in the area to visit, and he invited me out, so I got to go spend the day with some family at about 12:30. So we're gonna get off a little bit early today. We're gonna start a little bit early today. Probably gonna be a short, quick day. I'm not gonna force any trades or anything, but we'll see what happens. Looks pretty rangy. I think we have a bunch of news. We have news at 11, so 10 minutes till news. But let's see what happens. I wouldn't be mad making a quick couple trades. Getting this downtrend getting broken. Looks like midline is holding on this trend line. Got this big trading range drawn. The Bears come in out of nowhere, getting a second measured leg down, something like this. Get that strong bull push. We're touching EMA, 10K tick chart, perfect two-legged pullback on the daily, so. I think the music's a little loud. Oh yeah. Now we got that head bobbing music going. What is up, guys? Good morning. Hope everyone's trading day has gone pretty well so far. We haven't made any trades yet, so we're looking to get in and out of a couple trades before heading out a little bit early today. Welcome everyone who's back into the stream. Hope everyone's day is going amazing. Oh, I think I did not receive the notification you were live earlier. If there's no opportunities to sit on your hands, there's no need to overtrade. I was not live earlier. I just went live like 10 to 20 minutes ago, so I just got on. You didn't miss anything. That's why I haven't traded anything, actually. See if we get an email pullback here. News in about 10 minutes. Perfectly at this measured move now. We're also at the EMA on the 10K tick chart, so you might see some reversal. Might be a pivot point right here on the chart. Definitely don't want to go short here. Oh, I see. I'm from Spain. Sometimes I struggle to understand English. My bad. No, it's all good, man. That's cool that I can that I got some viewers from Spain. I think Ruben, you said you started speaking Spanish to Ruben yesterday, or Portuguese or something like that. Pretty cool stuff, man. My dad's actually a Puerto Rican. He speaks Spanish, but he never taught it to me, so I wish he did. Getting a retest up at the EMA. Should probably learn some Spanish. Go on Duolingo or something. So I can talk to my dad in Spanish. My dad's side of the family, they all speak English, but they're definitely more comfortable speaking Spanish. And it's also a great language to just know. Tons of people speak it. Even at work, when I'm like serving some tables, the amount of Spanish families that come in that have not the best English is a lot. So definitely be beneficial to learn. Shiv, what's up, bro? How we doing? How's your trading day going? Glad to see you again. Welcome to the stream. Strong break to the downside off this little midline of this trading range. Again, we have news in 7 minutes, so it says it's high impact news or high volatility expected. So we'll see what this does. Nice, nice, nice. Right now, we're just growing these accounts slow and steady. Most of them are above $400 profit. The goal, again, I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with the Apex Trader funding rules or how to pass their accounts, but I'm sure you are. Got to get to $3,000. So we're at about $500. Just blowed another PA. Hey, man, all part of the process. Good thing we got that 90% off Apex Trader funding sale going on. So if there was any time to blow that PA, it's definitely right now. You can buy that Eval account for like 16 bucks. But I'm sorry to hear that. If you do end up buying another account, make sure to use that coupon code top left of your screen in gold, APGHSMPI. Helps me out a whole bunch. I actually don't even have a PA right now, so. That's the goal. You don't realize how you don't realize how much value a PA account holds until you lose it. That's what I always struggle with. I'll have the PA account for like a month. The first week trading it, I'll be super careful, super tedious with my trades and really respect my risk and all that stuff. But then after like 3 weeks of trading it, I don't really care as much. It doesn't hold as much weight in my head. And I'll start like trading a little bit crazier on it. And that's usually my downfall. I need to work on that for sure. See if we can get an EMA touch. We got a good second entry short coming up right here. We got first entry short, pull back to EMA, second entry short. Could even be a triple test of this midline right here. You got, oh, sorry. You got 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, which is also a high probability setup in and of itself. Let's see if we can get the second entry short. 4 minutes till news now. Definitely want to be a little bit more careful, but I'll still enter in a good second entry short if it forms here. You're just going to want to be out of the trade before the news hits. See if we can get filled here.
Order filled.
Triggered under that bar. Could be good for a quick scalp maybe. Let's monitor the time. 3 minutes till news.
Target filled.
Out for 1 scalp real quick. That one was kind of risky though. 3 minutes till news, especially trading these big stop losses. When you have some high volatility news that's going to come up, it could just rip up and just destroy your stop loss. So, but that is first entry short pullback, second entry short coming off the midline of this trading range, and it's a good bearish signal bar. So I'll just take my 1 trade profit right there. You can tell people don't want to really get in here. They're just waiting for the market to get that big news announcement going. 2 minutes till news. Are you in 2000 tick chart? I am. I trade the 2000 tick chart on the NQ instrument. I used to trade the ES 2K tick chart, so like right here. This is what Thomas Wade trades, but then I switched over to the NQ when I adopted this new strategy. And it's a little bit more volatile. It's easier to get in and out for the quick scalps. Testing that EMA, 1 minute till news. Let's see what happens here. $11 o'clock. Let's see if anything crazy happens. I guess not. It is oil inventory, so I'm guessing oil futures is probably going crazy right now, but we don't trade oil futures, so we trade the NQ. Wait, nothing on the ES either. Oh, a little bit of a push up. First inch short, second inch short. Yeah, your messages still aren't showing in the chat for me. I don't know why, but I can just read them on my stream. So it doesn't really... I can still see them. But for some reason, they only show up on the stream. They don't show up in the actual chat. I don't know why, but not a huge deal. If my stream does get a little bit more popular, though, I might not be able to read it because the chat will scroll past, and I'll miss your messages more. But if that happens, I'll figure out a way. I'll make sure to get your chats in there, don't worry. I got you, bro. It's weird, though. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's try to get a
Order
sell
filled.
in here real quick. We got triple test right here. Coming off the triple test, you can expect to make it to at least this low, if not this low, I think. Looks like we just reversed up though. 1400 ticks till close. Seller should come in at the midline. Well, let's see what happens here.
Order filled.
Try to get out of break even here. We have these highs that are geometrically forming higher and higher. Definitely don't want to take any more chances.
Target filled.
We get out of break even right there. I didn't notice that. As you can see, we're starting to just trend up like this. Could be an uptrend. Could push right through this EMA. Definitely want to take your loss there. Or not a loss, but definitely want to get out of break evens. Gonna play it safe. You got all these matching lows over here. Could be a different trading range. The support levels could be higher up than I initially intended them to be. So looks like we're just gonna have to sit on our hands here and wait it out. Next news item is at 12. So now we wait. Pushing through that EMA just like I thought we would. Because again, you have first entry short, second entry short failure. If this second entry short, or if the bears were in control, this second entry short would have worked definitely at least a little bit lower than this. So I'm starting to change my bias to a little bit more bullish. For sure. Good thing we got out of that trade. Definitely gotta know when to admit to yourself that you're wrong and switch up your analysis, because this would have stopped us out for sure if we didn't get out of that. You might have something like this instead. This looks a little bit better. Do you see big differences in 2000 tick chart compared to like a 1 minute chart? They're not terribly different. They're pretty similar actually. It's just with the tick chart, if there's higher volatility in the market, there'll just be more candles on the chart because more candles form based off of how much volatility there is, as opposed to the 1 minute chart. The candle's closing every 1 minute no matter what. So I found that I get better signal bars at the EMA using the 2000 tick chart as opposed to a 1 minute chart. But besides that, they're pretty similar, man. You can trade probably both interchangeably. Also, with a tick chart, when it's consolidating like this, it's easier to tell, in my opinion, as opposed to a 1 minute chart. But that's just from my experience. My broker does not have tick chart. Damn, that's rough. What broker do you use? I know the I don't think Trade-Evate has tick charts, or they used to not have them. And then I know that the Top Step just released a trading platform, and I don't think they support tick charts either. Interactive brokers. I've never heard of interactive brokers. I think they just don't, because I think it's just harder to give the data for tick charts. But I don't know. I don't really know much about that.
Order filled. Target filled.
Good for one right there. Just see the EMA hold like that. Expect to work to the top of this trading range. It's kind of getting too high up there now. See how this bar closes. I just really like the way these lows are forming and how this new trading range has two measured legs down. You can expect bullish reversal now. Although this is a really strong push up from EMA. Probably could have got a couple more scalps in right there. Bro, this music sucks, dude. Look at this. Strong hold at EMA. You have first leg down, pull back, second leg down, correction phase ends, push phase resumes. Looks like we're gonna work higher. Perfect bounce off the 10K chart EMA. I have a perfect second entry long off the daily chart. From this high, you have first entry long, pulled back, second entry long at EMA. You expect to make a new high. I think this is an all-time high too. I don't know though. We are starting to overshoot this trend a little bit now. Actually, now it's gonna hold pretty nicely, it looks like. Hold up, I'll be right back. I'm back. Don't leave the stream. I just had to grab a golf ball because I'm going golfing later. And I feel like if I hold the ball and become one with the ball, I'll play better on the golf course. Which is not true. I suck at golf, but I see you get in the mood. I'm excited. Good thing we got out of that trade that we took right under this bar. Or no, that one worked. We took a trade right here. Good thing we got out of that and scaled in and got out of break even. It was a good play. I was a little worried about scaling in too early, but I realized that I made a mistake because my take profit on that trade was below these geometrically forming higher lows, which is basically the bottom of this trend line. Take profit was like right here, so here in Spain, golf is only for rich people, like it's a status thing. In the States, it's kind of the same thing, but it's not. It's definitely more accessible to not rich people. I'm not sure how, like, if you know the prices on golf over there, but the place I'm playing at today, it's like, I think I paid 40 bucks to play, which is like a decent amount of money, but it's not terrible. I definitely seen some pretty broke looking people on the golf course here in the States. It depends on what course you go to though. If you go to like a really like fancy country club, some of them are a little bit more prestigious and like snobby than other golf courses. There's like two types here. You got just like a regular public golf course, and then you have your private country clubs that are really expensive. You need to pay like an annual membership fee to and all that stuff. That's interesting though. I bet the golf courses in Spain are beautiful. But you also need to have all equipment apart for the $40 right? Yeah. You need to bring your own clubs and all that stuff. Or rent, yeah. A lot of courses will let you rent out their clubs. But I got my golf clubs. I got mine for free actually. My buddy gave them to me. Although I want to buy new ones. But that's way down the road. Golf clubs are expensive, man. And I was looking at new golf clubs because I work at like a driving range kinda, and they give discounts. It's owned by Callaway, which is a golf company, and they give us employee discounts on some clubs, and they were still like $500 for like a driver. I was like, that's ridiculous, dude. Nope, I'd rather spend that on PA accounts. Looks like we're overshooting a little bit on the chart. What I need to start doing is watching some more trading YouTube videos. I've been kind of slacking recently. I think next week I'm gonna try to, before I start trading, get in at least 1 or 2 YouTube videos or read a book or something beforehand to get my mind kind of in the trading state of mind before I start off. Look at this. Strong bull push up. I'm gonna extend this because it doesn't really look like overshoot now. Let's see what happens at the top of these range highs here. 4 viewers. Welcome everyone to the stream. Hope everyone's having a great trading day today. Yesterday I saw a short where a professional long-range golfer was acting like a newbie. It was hilarious. I've seen that video before, or I've seen a video like it. It is hilarious. Was he acting like an old dude? And he was like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. And then he just like smacks the hell out of the ball. I've seen that one before. It's pretty funny. People's reactions is funny. See if we can come off this resistance level. See what happens here. Taco, what's up, man? How you doing today? Hope you're having a great day today. Welcome back to the stream. Thanks for swinging through. Yeah, it was. That short is funny. I watched that video. Yeah, he was driving the ball like 400 yards. It's crazy. I just shorted that. We're at the top of these range highs. Wishing you the best of luck in your trade, brother. like we're pushing up. This initial trading range of the day broke to the upside as well. If you draw it like this, watch, I'll show you. Although it's just the midline on the bigger range, but if you look at the chart from like this angle, you can see we had a really condensed trading range right here. We broke higher, and then we kind of entered a little bit of a higher trading range, and now we might break higher again and enter more of a trading range, or we might just completely break to the upside. Because if you look at the 10K tick chart, I mean, this is FOMC news from yesterday, but look how strong of a push up we got. Big bull rally, and then we touched the EMA on the 10K tick chart, and now it looks like it held and we're breaking higher again. And then on the daily chart, we have perfect second entry long. We have first entry long, pullback, second entry long at EMA. Could be good news for the bears, but we could continue in the trading range. But I think there's definitely a slight bullish bias on the day, so I want to be careful about going short. Looks like it's gonna hold at these range highs though. It should be good for your short Taka. Expecting to get a little bit of a correction back to this EMA right here. Also, if you draw it like I initially had it, we have some major overshoot of this this uptrend, and that could lead to stronger momentum in the opposite direction. So we could get a strong bear reversal here. I probably could have went short one right there. I'm excited to golf if you can't tell. I was expecting a bigger correction back to the EMA here. Looks like these bulls are definitely persistent. Got some persistent bulls. They don't want to give up. Looks like we're pushing past the range highs here. We might have a strong uptrend forming. Or actually, it looks like it's going to hold. We shall see. Some more FOMC news later on in the day. We had some big FOMC news yesterday. That's what caused this big spike up. So maybe it'll do it the same today. We shall see. Market moving pretty slow right now. Not a whole bunch. Right here in this area of the chart. Might take a sell right here. Matching highs. Couldn't push the market higher. If we get back into the range with this bar on close, I'll take a short right here. See if we can get filled right here.
Order filled.
Alright, and we're filled. We got a triple test right here. We got 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests at this level. And then we have a lower high
Target
confirmation. Good for 1.
Order
Oh,
filled.
I did not mean to enter in that. Oh god. We'll see what happens though. Buyers come in at this support level for sure. I just entered in at a terrible spot. But let's see. Did not mean to enter that low into this area of the chart. Looks like this trend line is trying to hold here. Put another sell order in at this resistance level.
Order filled.
We're gonna have to get out of break even here. According to our rules. At least some sellers come in at this resistance level. I didn't like my entry point there at all.
Target filled.
Alright. Got out of that one at break even. Just because it is a triple test. We have 1 test of this level, 2 tests, 3 tests. But if this is an uptrend and these lows are kind of whatever, if you have something stronger drawn like this, that my take profit point was like way past. It was all the way down here at like below this trend line. So the possibility of the market just continuing to move higher was somewhat, it was like 50-50. Maybe not 50-50, but there was a good enough chance of this trend line possibly holding that it scared me to get out of break even. I wasn't 100% confident in that trade. But we got out. It's like we're just going to consolidate back and forth a little bit. 5 viewers. What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the stream as always. My name's AJ if you're new here, or Vegas if you want to call me Vegas. And day's going pretty good so far. We did get out of 2 break-even trades. I'm not sure if I'm a little emotional and I'm scaling in too early to get out. Maybe I should hold my trades for longer, but who knows. Some support right here. Let's see what the EMA does here. It's about 11:30. Probably going to give about 1 more hour of trading before I get off. I do have to go and meet up with a family friend at around like 1, so it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream today. I apologize about that, but you know, sometimes life happens. I'm gonna go move my clothes to the dryer real quick. I'll be right back. Oh my god, I just dry. Always good to see you stream. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Can't tell if the market wants to, you know, break higher here, if it's going to turn over. Because normally this would be a perfect place to sell because we're at these range highs, but just because how strongly we traded up into this, and this last trading range we broke higher and then formed out a little bit of a higher trading range, we might break higher here. So it's the only reason I'm being a little bit more patient. Kind of just chopping around at this level up here. Yeah, had to sell near EMA. Trade doesn't look too good. Made some quick profits. That's always good, man. Congrats on the W trade. Yeah, sometimes you just got that gut feeling. I already had to get out of 2 short positions at break even after scaling in. Cost me a little bit in fees and commissions, but I just didn't like the way it was looking. So I'm being a little bit more careful of selling this market, because both times I've sold already, I've gotten out of break even. Looks like we're gonna have to retest the high of day here. Close above previous highs. Good sign for the bulls. Yeah, looks like it wants to break higher now. So we're gonna switch to only going long. Let's see an EMA test. That'd be awesome. I want to see it stay up above this trading range resistance level for a little bit. That's good for us. I want to see this EMA come up to about the same level as as the previous resistance, and then get a retest and a bounce. That'd be a perfect trade. Perfect trade. If we get that, we could make some good monies real quick. It's really slow today, man. I know there's some FOMC speakers, so that's at what, 3:15, and the other one's at 5 p.m. So we still have a lot of time, but market is definitely not moving the quickest. You have 5 accounts. I have 5 eval accounts. Yes, they're not performance accounts. I'm not funded at all. We're trying to get there though. Hopefully we'll pass all 5 of these. They are not funded. If you see above my face cam right here, I have PA accounts and it says none right here. If when I do have some, I'm gonna put the number up there. And again, the name of this video / stream series is the road to 20 PAs. So the goal is to get 20 PA accounts and get paid out on all 20 of them. That is the goal. Still got a while to go though. Faux show. We're gonna break lower. See if we get a good EMA retest here. Give a quick 100 when you're a millionaire. I got you, bro. I'll send it. I'll say it via PayPal. $100 plus interest. $1,000 straight to the PayPal. I got you. How much you need to reach? 55K? No, 53K is when we get funded. And then when I'm getting paid out, when we're trading PA accounts, I think I'm gonna do 55K and then take payout. I might do a little bit less. Our max loss for a losing trade is like $1,000. So, trying to think. Sling Chickens, what's up, my mans? What's the cheapest eval with 90% off? I think it'd be the 25k static account. Let me check real quick. I can tell you a price. I know the 50k accounts, which is what I trade, the cheapest price is $16 about, after tax and all that good stuff. Let me check though. I can let you know in 1 minute. Or it might be $18. I think they raised the price slightly. No, so the accounts I trade, which is 50k accounts, is $16.70. I think there is a 25k that might be cheaper. I'm checking right now. So the 25k account is $14.70 with my coupon code. So pretty similar. I'd probably go with the 50k account just because you get a bigger trailing threshold and it's only like $2.50 more. That's my personal opinion though. You can go with anything. It's just nicer to have a little bit more buying power. Well, you actually get twice the amount of buying power. So I think the max contracts that you can trade on the cheaper one is like 3 or 4 contracts, as opposed on the ones that I'm on, you can trade 10 max. So you have a lot more buying power. You can scale in a lot harder. I'm a Forex trader, haven't traded futures or indices. Should I go for it? A lot of my friends were hyped for this 90% off sale. Yeah, dude, I love the futures market and it's pretty straightforward. It's easy. I've never traded Forex before. I think someone in here has traded Forex. I'm trying to think of who it was. I don't think they're in here right now. But someone who watches my streams pretty regularly trades Forex, and he says he likes futures a little bit better. So I would definitely give it a shot. Again, it's only $14 right now, so buy one account. You can trade the sim on it. You don't even have to trade the actual eval account, and you can just get your feet wet, see if you like it or not. The most you can lose is $14.70. Just make sure after 1 month, though, you cancel your subscription because it does automatically renew after a month. Why is Forex spread for trading 2-1-12 madness? I have no clue what that means. I've never traded Forex before, ever. To be honest, I'm not even like super into like all the trading jargon, all that good stuff. I literally just trade pure price action. And all I know is this 2000 tick chart, 10k tick chart, and the daily on the NQ and the ES. That's all I trade. Pure price action. No fancy indicators, none of that stuff. I don't know what any of that means. I try not to overcomplicate it. I'm sure there's some things that could benefit my trading a little bit. And I might get there once I start finding some real consistency. But for right now, I'm just trying to study the bars, man. Or the candles. Yeah, I'll buy it soon. Great. Hope you enjoy it, man. Thanks for coming through the stream. Appreciate it. actually getting a perfect second entry long right here. You got first entry long, pullback, second entry long. And it would trigger at this miniature trading range. The miniature trading range is lows. I don't know if I said that right. Because you get buyers coming in at this support level, and you get buyers coming at the EMA, and you'll get buyers coming in over the second entry long. But it looks like it's about to take off without us. Whoa, what the heck? Also, I like your profile picture, slaying chickens. It's pretty funny. Not a whole lot here, man. This area is pretty tricky for me because I'm just scared that, well, it's pretty tricky for me because I can't tell which pattern is taking precedence right now. Because you have this uptrend, but you also have it consolidating at these range highs, and it could very well just break below EMA strongly and work to these range lows as well. So, but at the same time, you traded up strongly into this range, trading range, break higher trading range, you could get another break higher. I think I'm just gonna have to sit on my hands for a couple minutes and see what happens. Kind of a tricky space on the chart. We shall see what happens. That's a really good signal bar for the bears. See if EMA holds. Jacob's Vids, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. How was your trading day? If you don't mind me asking. Hope you made $2 million today. Oh no! I almost dropped my golf ball. My golf ball. It's like a little fidget toy for me right now. Yeah, I got a late start on the day, so I didn't trade the open. And I think I started trading about right at the bottom of this leg down. So right at this pivot point, at these lows, I started trading. And I think I got the market structure down now, but not a whole lot of trades today so far, so only about $150 profit. Not a whole bunch. Looks like we're trying to break below EMA, which would be nice. I'm sick of this uptrend. Good push down, really good push down. That's what I was afraid of. That's why you don't want to go long over this second entry long, even though it never triggered. But if it did trigger, you want to be careful there, because again, these trading ranges are meant to trap retail traders, because they're supposed to look like they're gonna break out. Everyone gets all excited. They push the market. The market makers will push it a little bit higher, get everyone in, get everyone entered in on the trades, and then they'll short the hell out of it and just trap everyone. The big hedge funds, that's what they'll do. So you want to be careful, be cognizant of that. 5 bands, green PA sitting pretty, mad EA profits as well. Let's go. Awesome day. That's great. I made 1100 yesterday. I was happy with that, but I guess you're just a better trader than me. No, I'm just fucking with you. Glad to hear that. You always love to see the fellow traders making it out green. You make it look so easy streaming and trading and in the green. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I try my best. I'm not sure if I told you guys this. I think I told some of the other viewers that aren't here right now, but I used to stream me playing video games all the time, and I used to have a little bit of a following, not a whole bunch, but I used to get some viewers. So I definitely have the streaming experience, and I work in the food service industry, so I talk to people all damn day. I feel like I'm a decent conversationalist, even though this isn't really. This kind of feels like I'm, I don't know, a little bit different than regular conversation, but same thing. 1100 is damn good as well. Yeah, it felt nice, and I really like trading these 5 accounts. In the past, I've only traded on 1 account at a time, and when you trade on 1 account, you'll make 1100 on that 1 account, and you'll see the big shiny green number, and it gets your emotions included in your trading a little bit easier than when you spread the 1100 across 5 accounts. It doesn't make you think you're up as much as you are, which is why I like it. First entry long, second entry long failure. If this closes below this trend line, I'll take some shorts here. $200 ticks till close.
Order
Close.
filled.
Good, in on it. I kind of bought at the support though. Maybe not the best buy. I bought at the double bottom, but I do think it's gonna work lower. See if we can get out for the scalp real quick. I don't see the market pushing higher than this. I really don't see it, especially with this. The second leg of this second entry long is bigger than the first leg, so bears look like they're in control here.
Target filled.
It's 1 scalp. See if we can push it past these lows real quick. Buyers are going to come in at this level. Might be good for a couple more.
Order filled.
See if we can keep pushing it lower. That's failed second entry long triggered. Probably should have waited for more of an EMA test, but I just don't see the market, especially after second entry long failed at EMA. I don't see it breaking these highs. But let's see. You never know. I just think we're in a trading range and we're going to work to the bottom, or at least to the midline right here. But let's see what happens. Buyers came in at this level, so probably shouldn't short underneath this level again. Probably not the best idea. Betting on a breakout is never that good of an idea, but might have to re-enter. That's definitely a bad sign for us. Actually gonna re-enter right here. Actually, let's wait for the... I gotta be more patient with my scale-ins. That's one thing in this strategy that I've really struggled with. I scale in too early, and then when I take losses, they're bigger than they have to be, so I definitely don't like that at all, though. See if we can get a rejection at EMA. People are buying this uptrend. It's definitely sort of spooky. But again, that second entry long failed the first time, so how strong can the bulls really be if the second entry long failed at the EMA? Who knows? Looks like they're pretty damn strong though. Not the best sign for our trade, to be honest. This one might have been a bad entry. Maybe I should have waited a little longer. Get some sellers to come in quick. There we go. Sellers coming in EMA. It's just going to be hard to push it through this level because buyers are going to come in. Let's see what we can do. 900 ticks till close. It's a good EMA hold for us, though. Again, that second entry long should have created way more momentum than it did if the bulls were in control. I think there's just some lingering buyers that are betting on this uptrend continuing when we're really in a trading range. I did enter way too low, though. This is not the safest entry. See if we can push it lower. See if we can close down this way. It's definitely not what you want to see right there. It's just the buyers coming in right here, man. Hopefully it doesn't close above EMA. That'll be a super bad. Oh, I just moved my stop loss. Not mean to do that. I think it was that high of the day. Yeah, buyers just pouring in at this support level. 300 ticks till close. We are further down in the trade, so hopefully we can close low. Let's see if we can get out. 81 ticks till close. Close down there. Yeah, this is not the safest entry point at all. Great close for us. See if we can get out. Sometimes when it closes below a support level, you'll get instant buyers that pour into the market, so. Come on! Come on, dude. But that's a great EMA hold for us. We should be able to work it a little bit lower. It's just this level of resistance. The buyers are coming in. Come on, man. This music got really loud. Why, man? Should I have gotten out of break even? I think it's gonna keep pushing lower. We have a possible trend line like this, but who knows? It's just a terrible entry point. It's definitely my bad. I can move it up with the scale in. I think that might be the best bet. I just don't feel comfortable trying to see if this works. That's a strong push up though. Seller should come in at EMA. Might be able to get out of the trade if we scale in a little bit. Alright, here we go, boys. We in this one. I don't like that though. Alright, let's see if we can get out.
Order filled.
See if we can get out of break even here. 200 ticks till close. We need it to work lower. Sellers come in strong, please. Come on.
Target filled.
There we go. Got out of that one break even. A whole lot of break even trades today, man. I just don't like if this is a trading range, because we formed a higher trading range the first time. If this is a trading range, we're going to work back to the top of it, and my stop loss was like right at the top. So the fact that this level keeps holding so many times, decent possibility that it's a trading range, and we might work to the top again, but we'll see. You never know. Just didn't want to take that chance, you know. Monty said, "You really deserve more views. You keep the live stream entertained. I guess it's a matter of time to see the community grow." I hope so, man. I really hope so. I appreciate the support from all of you guys, of course. I hope that goes without saying. I've gotten out of 3 trades at break even today. My entry points are a little, not the best. Looks like this one might have worked out, but again, seeing this level hold so strongly, you just want to be careful with that, man. I've seen so many trades where the support level holds when my take profit's like right below support, and you stay in it because you're like, oh, it'll just push below it and just it'll fill me real quick, and then it just strongly pushes above back to the range highs, and you get left in the dust. Although I think my take profit was like right here, so I think it's probably, it would have hit it right there, but you can never really tell in the moment. With this strategy, I try to, when I enter a trade, if it doesn't work within like the first like minute of the trade, I start getting a little bit skeptical, and especially with something like this where this level's holding real strong, I'll just get out of break even, because I find it easier to just get out of break even and just tell myself that, hey, the initial analysis wasn't right, it didn't really take off in your direction, you should probably just break even and get out. Because once what you envisioned in the market doesn't happen, then you're kind of just gambling. But all personal preference. I know some people who like to hold their trades no matter what, which is what I used to do, and it is nice when they do work out. Like that one would have been nice to just hold on to, but it's all personal preference. Some people just enter and they literally take their hands off the keyboard. It's like the trading range won out. Or the downtrend, sorry. Or did it? Trading is a crazy thing, man. Been doing it for about a year now, and it's just all about the money you keep, not about the money you make. So I'd rather keep my money and break even there than just make a extra 50 bucks on the day, you know. It's about maintaining that money. All right, I have to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry. Capital preservation, exactly. Exactly right. Time is it? About 12:03. I'm probably gonna get off pretty soon. I guess we'll only make about 250 on the day. Still better than nothing, but or about 200. Take one more trade. I'll actually take it right here. Level is so scary, man. Look at that bar, dude. That's what we were looking for. See it close above this level, above the resistance levels, and we might take a buy. Although we do have a lot of ticks till close. like it went without us right there.
Order filled. Target filled.
Easy retracement to enter in on. This account is above take profit for the day. We're going to switch over to 44. See if we can get some trades on this one before we have to call it. I think the bigger trading range, I think the resistance is a little bit higher, so. And then this also just goes back to us getting out at that last trade to break even, because like, yeah, it made one more push down and stopped us out, but look at it right now. It's obviously a trading range. You don't know that it's gonna make that push down and stop you out. It could have very well just pushed up and made us take a losing trade, you know. What games did you play in stream? I played mostly CS:GO, Counter-Strike, and then League of Legends. What else? Fortnite. I started off with Fortnite. That's a funny story. The whole reason I got my PC actually is because in high school, when I was in high school, when Fortnite started becoming like crazy popular, I really saw all the Twitch streamers like being really good at Fortnite, and I'm just a pretty competitive person. So I was like, dude, I need to be good. Like I can't just be playing on a console. I need a PC. So I bought a PC and I started streaming on it. And now look at us. Yes, definitely like Fortnite. Try to get in on a long here.
Order
That was
filled.
a little high. I was a little high in the move. Let's see if we can get out. There's some resistance right here. My entries haven't been the best today, to be honest. Yep, there it is. Not the best. Closing 400 ticks, though. We might get a good close. Good green close on this signal bar. Come on. $200 ticks till close. See if we can work higher. Looks like the pressure is dying out. Hmm. 71 ticks till close. Push higher. Come on. Close right there. Close up there. Yeah. That's what we like to see. Follow
Target filled.
through. W. I didn't really like that one's kind of risky though. There's this support level right here. Kind of rushing into trades today, to be honest. I'm gonna try to get this account to target profit and then call it a day probably, because I do have to go golfing with my family friend at around 2. We gotta leave like an hour early, so he's gonna be here around 1. So I gotta start getting ready soon. So I apologize about the short stream today, but tomorrow we will be back with a full stream again. Coming into that resistance level. See what happens here. I just realized my posture was terrible. I got that trader posture. If you don't want that. Strong rejection off that previous resistance. Not strong, but decent rejection off previous resistance. You just can't tell what the what the market structure is, you know? Could be an uptrend, could be a trading range, could be a bigger trading range. Kind of tricky today. I think we might try to break higher here. 400 ticks till close. I think there was news at 12 o'clock. Was that this? It was. I forgot about that. Next news is FOMC member Harker speaks. So next news is FOMC news. Might decrease some volatility in the markets. Let's see. Damn. Looks like we missed that one. The con of using limit orders for sure. Yep, we missed it. Strong rejection off the top of that resistance level. I think I might call it a day. I need to start getting ready for my round of golf, which I'm excited for. And we made about $300, so I can't be too mad at it. Sorry I couldn't trade for longer today. I just got some stuff going on. I appreciate everyone who came through the stream today. I know nobody's watching right now, but hey man, I still gotta put it out there. In case you guys watch the VOD, which I hope you do, Thank you, Slaying Chicken, for swinging through. This is the first time I think I've seen you in the stream. Appreciate your company. Always do. And just remember, if you guys blew any accounts today, to use code APGHSMPI, top left corner of your screen in the gold font. Gives you 90% off any Apex evaluation account, and it also gives you 20% boosted odds of passing your next account. With that said, I hope you guys had a great trading day today. I hope you guys all made $2 million. I'll see you tomorrow with another stream. Peace out, guys. Hope everyone had a wonderful day and that the wonderful day continues. Peace.